Chata.ai's cognitive cash flow forecasting feature allows you to take a totally hands-off approach to forecasting. The system automatically generates a rolling cash flow forecast projecting probable, high estimated predictions, and low estimated predictions based on the historical data of the individual business. Chata's system factors several dimensions into the generated forecast and weights the importance of each dimension in the context of each individual business, including things like cyclicality, temporality, invoice amounts, and total days to pay. Chata.ai does all the heavy lifting when it comes to producing your cash flow forecast. It allows you to input manual adjustments as you see fit and automatically factors in any new data that enters your cloud accounting system. Forecasted projections become increasingly accurate over time, as the system is designed to learn iteratively from the variance in every forecast it produces and from every new data point that is created. How can you generate a cash flow forecast with Chata? It's simple. Just ask for the cash flow forecast that you want to see. For example, ask cash flow forecast by week for the next 2 months, or cash flow forecast for the next 3 months. Chata automatically returns a visualization depicting your most probable projected cash flow, as well as the high and low range estimates. You can specify your queries to return a more granular view of the forecast by asking things like probable weekly cash flow forecast or monthly expenditures cash flow forecast. Within seconds, your forecast is generated. Review the estimated projections to help you better understand your cash flow and help you make or influence better decisions. You can also enter in manual adjustments to account for events that Chata's forecasting system may not be aware of, such as an anticipated incoming grant or a major investment. We call these non-predictable events because these events are things that you or your client have knowledge of, but the machine cannot predict because this information doesn't exist in any of the data it currently has access to. Once you've generated your cash flow forecast, you have several options. Save your cash flow forecast as a report and share it with your team or clients. Build a dashboard dedicated to cash flow forecasting so you can see your cash flow projections on a rolling basis. Or you can create a reporting template containing a series of cash flow forecasting queries and schedule it to run automatically at regular intervals.